Okay guys, I'm doing one of my routes right now. It's a brand new contract I got with this company in California. They have like this sustainable food that they give to people in like these ready-made packages. It's supposed to be for people that have like gluten allergies and stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet route. This apartment's actually like, the apartment building's really nice that I'm in. You guys can kind of see it a little bit in here, but this is where all the packages are. I just dropped off a package to a customer upstairs. So yeah, this is like my third stop, and the really cool thing about this route, guys, is it actually pays hourly and they have a mileage reimbursement. So I think they're gonna be changing over to like pay per trip situation. That's what a lot of places will do, at least in LA. I'm in California. They'll pay you for the route itself. And yeah, so it'll be like $100 and you'll have like 20 or 30 stops to do. But with the hourly one, it's kind of sweet because you can kind of take your time, you're not in a rush. And the mileage doesn't really matter because you have a set route, so you're gonna do the same amount of miles regardless. But the hourly, you can kind of take your time. It's a night route. I bartend, guys, so my route, I could probably complete it in like a couple hours. But I've been taking my time just to kind of run it up a little bit, so yeah. Again, guys, just showing you some of the places that I deliver to. LA is really dope because they have these really cool like luxury apartment buildings. So this is like another one that I just dropped off a package to, but yeah, really dope. Again, I'm on my night delivery route with Methodology, the food route I told you guys about, and I'm halfway through. Guys, just to show you, I haven't showed you guys the actual box before, but these are the sizes of the boxes that I'm transporting for Methodology. And it's cool, they're a little bit heavy, but I see when I'm doing deliveries, like package deliveries especially, as more like a workout. You know, I'm going to the gym tomorrow anyways, so I don't mind it. But yeah, I'm on my like third to last delivery right now. Again, guys, in these nice apartments doing drop-offs. I don't know if you guys are interested in this, but this is kind of like the style of, I'm on the west side of LA right now. So like Beverly Hills, Century City, like Rodeo, I'm very near all of that. And this is the style of apartments that are over here. They're very like classic style. A lot of older people live in apartments like this, but again, I just dropped off this person's delivery for Methodology. Going to my last drop off. And just to offer you guys a different perspective, these are the types of buildings that I'm delivering to. So you see over there, there's like a bunch of high rises and stuff. This is one of the buildings. Yeah, it's very nice over here. A lot of high rises, but you can tell it has almost this like draconian style of architecture. Really dope, really dope. You see there's like a lot of nice cars on the street, guys. Camaros, Dodge Chargers, you'll find G-Wagons, all types of vehicles. Here's my SUV right here. Guys, this is the other good thing about doing your deliveries. I just finished right now. I had 22 stops today, completed it all. Again, I'm on the west side of LA. I live on the east side, but I was looking and I found this taco truck. It has really good reviews. Some people say it's like the best taco truck in West LA, so I decided to treat myself. First time, you know, this new contract. I'm really glad, really stoked that I was able to secure it. So stopped by here, got my favorite thing, got a asada quesadilla, getting some sour cream. So I'll let you guys know how it is. But yeah, it's the cool thing about living in LA as well too, is the taco trucks. There's a lot of great ones out here. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, finished the first route, super dope. I'm happy to have this new contract with Methodology. I'll let you guys know more about it. And it was about 5 hours altogether. I'll just how much I got paid too.